Welcome to J&J's test video for 9453. This is a 2003 Hummer H2, 202,000 miles. Running, driving, got a set of chrome wheels on it. Not too bad. Just another pewter Hummer. Some flat tires. Has some sort of Jasper reman in here. Can't tell anymore what it was, but everything's pretty clean. We'll start it up. .202, 248. She got them fancy cluster in there. Runs just fine. Heater controls are burned out. Let's see what we got. See if the mirrors fold. Oh, window switch is broken. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Got a passenger fold, but not a driver. Let's see if the driver passenger folds back out. Uh-oh. We'll go in, not out. Looks like we got an in, not an out. Let's see if we turn this back on. Let's see if it works. Alright, now let's try to hold it. That's going in more. Well, there's your answer on that one. This one seems to work. There you go. Alright, let's see. Transmission engages. Everything's open. Yep. We'll go forward. Back. Alright. That's that. As always, thank you for watching. And have your pets spayed and neutered.